So this is just a quick look at my Yucca rostratas. I'm in zone 6A here, and it is the end of February. We finally got some snow here in New York. You can't even see across the Hudson River right now, but as you can see, the Yucca is doing great. I'll probably knock some of that snow out of it a little bit. There's some of my trachycarpus there. I have bananas covered up. Here's my older Yucca rostrata here. And it does great. The very first year I covered it, and it actually did not look very good when I uncovered it in the spring, and it actually does much, much better. Just leaving it alone, it seems to handle everything just fine. Another trachycarpus. You can see my bamboo is all fallen over. It will come back up. And yeah, that is the running bamboo, but it's really beautiful, and it does really well here in the Hudson Valley. And then you can see all my palms over there. Another trachycarpus over there. My sable last week, that's in the big box right by the pool shed there. Actually, the wind blew it over. It uprooted my sable a little bit. That's a questionable sable anyway, because it was a hurricane cut, but it's still green on the top. So, and then just panning up to the house, you can see more of the palms up there in the boxes. So I'm so ready for spring. There, you can't really see it, but there's actually buds on the trees out there on the property line way over there. So it's spring is in the air, it's coming, but it just doesn't look like it right now. That's just a winter look at the garden here today. I'm ready to open the pool. Like and subscribe, please.